students. So today's our topic is the continuation of the election process in India. So the voting mechanism. So on the day of the polling, so what about the mechanism to conduct the polling? So at the district level, the chief election officer is act as a district collector. So the district collector arrange the elaborate arrangements to conduct the polling in districts in different constituencies at uh, polling booths. So the polling booths, so there are the state employees or central government employees. So deputed to conduct the polling at polling booth level. So the polling booth officer is called the presiding officer or polling officer. So he conduct the elections at polling booth with the help of the his assistants. And also the chief election commissioner of India is also appoint or depute one of the person to observe the election process at that polling booth. So this observer so monitor the polling system, how the polling system is going on in that booth. So the party candidates so appoint on behalf of his party as an agent at a polling booth. So they are called the polling agents. So these polling agents assist the polling personnel to recognize or identify the original voter of in that polling booth. So these polling personnel should use the indelible ink. So those who come to cast their vote in that booth, so they keep the indelible ink on left forefinger of the voter. So why they are keeping this indelible ink on left forefinger? So because they should not repeatedly cast their vote on behalf of the other names. So that's why to reduce such type of the problems, they are using the indelible ink. So this is the process of the conducting of the election at polling booth. So all the voters, those whose names are enrolled in the voters list in particularly that polling booth, so they are eligible to cast their vote in that polling booth. So if there is no EVMs, electronic machines, so then they use the ballot paper. So the ballot paper, so there are the symbols of the contestants and names of the contestants. So at the polling booth, when the voter come into the polling booth, so they also follow the same process, but casting their vote, so they use the swastik symbol stamp. So they have to stamp on, so whom you need to cast the vote, there you have to stamp that swastik symbol, and that ballot paper must and should be folded in proper manner and keep in the box, put in the ballot box. So this is the process of the ballot paper. So after completion of the election, so in that polling booth, so generally the election commission so fix the timings from morning 7 to evening 5. So whatever the time fixed by the election commission, so the polling personnel should follow that time system. After end of the time, so they close the election and seal the polling boxes and EVM machines, and those boxes sent to the EVMs are ballot boxes sent to the counting centers. So there the another polling personnel are there. So they count the all that votes. So which person gain more votes, so they are declared as the elected candidate. So the returning officer give certificate to particular that candidate so has got victory in this constituency. So, what is general election? What is midterm elections? What is by-elections? So, the general elections means the election commission should conduct the elections for every 5 years. After completion of the 5 years of the tenure, they conduct the elections. That elections are called the general elections. So when the election commission conduct before completion of the 5 years for parliament or assemblies, that elections are called the mid-term elections. Before completion of the 5 years, the election commission conduct the elections for state assemblies or parliament. That elections are called mid-term elections. So what is by-elections? When the election commission conducts for one or two constituencies, so that election is called the by-elections. Generally, these by-elections are conducted so where the uh, elected candidates are die in that constituencies, they can or resign, die or resign. There, the election commission conduct the by-elections. So another one important thing is vote to reject. So now the voters have to choose the nota also. Nota means none of the above. So if the contesting candidates, so I am being I am one of the voter, so I doesn't like any of the contestants in the ballot paper, then I have to choose the nota. So I, according to the freedom of expression in our constitution, so we have a right of freedom of expression. In the part of the freedom of expression, so we have a right to choose the nota. So in 2013, the People's Union of Civil Liberties went to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court given the judgment in 2013. Then onwards, the Election Commission is keeping the nota is also one of the part in the EVM boxes or ballot boxes. The first time in 2013, the Election Commission conducted by keeping the nota in Delhi, Mizoram, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in 2013. So here the nota is only the option only. So if the nota gains more votes than the contestants, so then those who secure the second place, they will be treated as the elected candidate. So here the nota will not be determine the losing candidate or winning candidate. So it does not affect the losing candidate and winning candidate. So the need for electoral reforms. So there is a need to reform the election process in our country, because India is the second most populous country in the world. So to conduct the elections in easy manner is a big task before the election commission. So in many of the places, so the all the political parties, when they are going to participate in the elections, they promises, they release the they release their manifestos. So they express what they are going to do in future if you elect as a leader. So those manifestos are, so they are focusing on welfare of the people. So all the political parties are giving many of the promises to the voters to get the vote from the voters. But in some cases, some of the participants, they are following the illegal activities to get vote from the voters. So it has a big task to the election commission to control such type of the incidents in all over the country. Next to postal ballot. So the postal ballot is another one of the option for the polling personnel. So the polling personnel deputed to conduct the elections. So during conducting the election, these polling personnel so didn't cast, so do not eligible to cast their votes. That's why to eradicate this problem, the Chief Election Commission issues the postal ballot to those who deputed to polling work. So before on election date, so they have to cast their vote through postal ballot. So it is one of the process. So the election notification, the first time in our India, the election notification was cancelled in two constituencies, that is Arau Kurichi, Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu, when the notification given for by-elections. Because so there the maximum level of the illegal activities took place, and the money supplied to the voters recognized by the Chief Election Commission. So due to that, they postponed the elections on 16th May 2016. Thank you.